Welcome to the Paul Rushforth Real Estate Market Report for November 2022, as well as year to date. No surprise, we've seen another challenging market in November. We've seen it for the last 6 or 7 months. It's been very, very challenging. The number of sales was actually down 42% in November, and the average sale price, which we haven't seen down in quite a while, was down 3.6%. Our average sale price in the month of November was $621,000, which is a far stretch from where we used to be. Most months at the start of the year, we were in the 7s, and now we're in the low 6s. So we're seeing a strong downward shift to the average sale price. Let's look at year to date. Year to date, number of sales is down 24.4%. which is about 5,000 sales off where we were at this point last year. That's a lot of sales that we're missing out on right now. Average sale price is still up. It's up 7.4%. It's at $695,000 year to date, which is still very high considering we started the year at $645,000. Now we're at $695,000. However, we are drastically down from our peak of April, where we're at $739,000. Now we're $695,000. Inventory is actually up 119%. At the start of the year, that would have been awesome because we had nothing to sell. However, inventory up right now, there's a challenge with all this inventory right now because a lot of buyers aren't in the market right now. We saw yesterday the rate hike, it went up another 0.5%. Will that dampen the market? I think it will dampen the market for the short term. I think what we're going to see is we're going to stabilize over the next 6, 8, 10, 12 months, and then probably go into quite a robust market at the end of 2023. So we're having a very challenging end of 2022. I think we're going to stabilize in 2023. To the end, it's going to be robust. So yesterday's rate hike, we're used to it now. We've gone up almost every month in these rate hikes, and yes, they're high, but I still think it's a wonderful time for buyers to buy because we're seeing prices doing this. And I've said it before, if you can stomach the interest rates for 6 to 12 months, they are going to come down. One thing I wouldn't do is lock into a 5-year fix though. Take a short-term fixed mortgage or a variable mortgage. I know you're thinking variable, it's through the roof. Why would I take a variable? Because there's nowhere to go but down. Get on the variable train, get on a short-term fixed mortgage, and I promise you're going to be in the driver's seat. If you're not buying in the next 6 to 8 months, I think you're making a big mistake because our market is going to go. That's the market report for November and year to date 2022. Have a wonderful day.